So once my screen comes, please inform me that my screen has come. Okay.
Yeah, it's coming, sir.
It has come.
Fine. Try to make it bigger. See, these are all the things I think we saw some time back. So this was the one which we saw last week. What is meant by ERP? In fact, we started from here. What is meant by ERP? And we said that it's a software helps to manage the resources effectively and all. Then we had some of the ERP products like Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, Oracle Financial, J. Edwards and all. Then we went to SAP. Then we said that SAP is a ERP product, system applications and products as we understand in the English, but let's not worry about it. Then ERP, then E for enterprises, R for resource, P for planning. So it's a business organization. Resources are money, manpower, material, machinery, marketing, and methods. And methods is also a resource. From at this point only we come to this place. Then effective utilization, optimization, and all. Then we saw what is ERP. Then we went to SAP modules. SAP modules are functional modules and technical modules. Technical, we have ABAP, the programming language of that. And the basis is for security and giving access permissions and all. We will not much worry about that. Then when we came to functional modules, we discussed PP production planning, PM plant maintenance, QM quality management, SD sales and distribution, HCM human capital management, PS project system, MM materials management, FI finance, and CO is control. This is what we saw at that time. Then we also saw there are 4 types of project generally. If you really look at it, implementation, rollout, upgrade, and support. So implementation can be a greenfield project, or already you have got a legacy system. From there we do a implementation and then we migrate from the legacy system. Rollout is if you have one entity, we have many companies. So one company makes the implementation, other companies do the rollout, taking that implementation. Then we came to upgrade, like Mr. Jha will be talking R2, R3, ECC, S4HANA and all. They are all one by one upgrades. The latest is from ECC to S4HANA. And support is maintenance and error handlings could be one of the support of this. Then we saw what is SAP project phases. That is what we saw. So we say SAP project phases starts from startup and planning, as a study, to be definitions, realization. Then we have final preparation, and then we have go live and support. And then we saw in many of them the different aspects, like startup and planning had so much of jobs to be done. I'm only recapitulating what has happened in the last session. Then as a study, we do what is the present things which are working. Then after that, with a lot of discussions and expectations of the people, we have a to be definition. This is the very most important phase, and this document is actually the blueprint, and based on which only the SAP is getting implemented. So we must be very careful. And whenever we go for any kind of assignment to an organization, we can call for the blueprint, look at it, and see whether the system works as per the blueprint. Because this is one particular aspect. In case we go for definitely any kind of audit or any kind of consultancy, I think this is what I would request you people to have a look at it. You should go through the blueprint document and then find out what is happening in the organization. Then the realization, which is configuration, unit testing, and all integration test. After that, it is the final preparation and training, all those. And if you have a cutover activities, when you have a definitely a brownfield, you have a data migration if it is to be needed, you have to do that. Then data upload. Then we have a go live and support, and go live preparations and post go live support. This is what we saw in the last say when I did on 12th September. We went into each and everything in discussion, but then today I didn't want to get into the too much of discussions. So today we will be doing on mainly on the SAP organization. So the organization will look like this. Initially, it will be very confusing. Now, what I will do, I will stop at this point, and then I will hand over the session to Mr. Praveen Jha. Okay. So what I will do, just hold on for a second.